Do you know about sourdough? Sourdough might just be one of the oldest and most interesting types of bread in the world. It has a crispy crust, a soft chewy middle, and a slightly tangy taste that makes it different from regular white or wheat bread. Let's take a look at 3 cool facts about sourdough that make it stand out. Fact number 1. Sourdough doesn't use regular yeast. Most breads use store-bought yeast to rise, but sourdough uses wild yeast and bacteria from the air. That's right, bakers make something called a starter, which is just flour and water that sits out for a few days. During that time, natural yeast and good bacteria grow, making the dough rise and giving it its sour flavor. It's kind of like a science experiment you can eat. Fact number 2. It's easier to digest. Because sourdough is fermented, it's often easier on your stomach than regular bread. The natural bacteria break down some of the gluten and sugars in the flour, which helps your body handle it better. Some people who have a hard time with regular bread say they feel better after eating sourdough. It also has more good bacteria, known as probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Fact number 3. It takes time and patience. Making sourdough isn't fast. From feeding the starter to letting the dough rise and rest, it can take more than 24 hours to make one loaf. That's why many people say baking sourdough is both an art and a science. But the results? A beautiful loaf with a golden crust, full of bubbles and flavor. Totally worth the wait. Final thoughts. Sourdough is more than just bread, it's a mix of nature, science, and tradition. Whether you eat it with butter, use it for a sandwich, or dip it in soup, sourdough offers a delicious and healthy way to enjoy something fresh and homemade. What do you think about today's topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.